Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of you don't have permission to access on the application of Gemini app. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings, and above you will search about Gemini app and you will click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next